This entire cinematic universe was built by 3 free AI tools in less than 30 minutes. No cameras, no expensive software, and 0 experience required. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact step-by-step pipeline so you can replicate it yourself from home. Let's get into it. Step 1 is creating our story framework. Instead of just asking the AI to write a generic script, we need to force it to behave like a Hollywood director. I am using a specialized prompt that commands the AI to break our narrative down into highly visual scenes, complete with lighting directions and camera angles. Step 2 is turning our text into stunning visuals. I'm using an advanced AI art generator to bring our newly created script to life. Watch closely as I set the aspect ratio to 16:9 widescreen. This format is absolutely mandatory if you want your videos to look right on YouTube. The absolute secret here is prompt consistency. By reusing specific keyword tags and character seeds, we ensure our main subject looks identical across different backgrounds. If your first generation looks weird, don't panic. Simply tweak the style weight settings and regenerate the panel until it hits the mark perfectly. By adjusting the motion brush settings to a low, subtle value, we can create realistic camera panning and lens flares without completely distorting the characters. This maintains an ultra-fast pacing that stops viewers from clicking away from your video. Finally, we bring everything into our video editor. We layer our AI voiceover track on the bottom and align our software recordings to match the explanation. Next, we slice our cinematic clips into the timeline. To give it a high-budget feel, drop in a heavy bass boom sound effect right at the transitions. Lower the background music volume to 10% so the narration stays perfectly crisp. And just like that, your high-quality faceless video is complete.